how you can fix this error that says unknown part and unable to determine if your iPhone display is a genuine Apple part. If so, this video is for you. Before I teach you guys how you can fix this, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So this type of error occurs when you have just replaced your iPhone's display and you've done it through an ungenuine dealer or repair. So to fix that, what you'll first need to do is go to your settings and go to your general. You'll need to check your software. So go to software update, and after you do that, check if you have any software update available. If you do, just update your software. After you do that, you can go back to your settings again, and the last setting that you want to do is just go to your general again, scroll down all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all your settings. After you tap on reset all your settings, just type in your password and you'll have reset your settings. So after doing that, your problem will get fixed, but if it does not get fixed, a quick force restart will fix the problem for you. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take